Hello all, welcome to Technostic in the series of digital fundamentals as we are looking into digital logic function realizations with MSI circuits. Today we are going to take up a little theory topic that is very important for further conversions that we are going to use in our logic functions, that is common number systems. Common number systems. As you all are aware of the number system that we are using in our daily life, that is decimal number systems, are you aware that there are 3 more number systems that are commonly used besides decimal number systems? So we are going to learn today about the 4 number systems. There are another type of number systems also, but for now we'll only be looking into 4 number systems that are useful for us in the further section tutorials. Okay, so for digital electronics platform, these are the 4 number systems that we normally used. First is digital number system. Digital number system. Okay, so in digital number system, we have unique symbols from 0 to 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then again if you want to write 10, what we do is 1, 0, then 1, 1, 1, 2 and so on and so forth. The base or the radix of this number system, base or radix of this number system is 10. 9s and 10s complements are possible using any decimal number. We will be seeing how to take 10s complement, 9s complement ahead in tutorials. So 9s and 10s complements are possible in any decimal system. The next number system is binary number system. So binary number system is the number system used by computers for interpreting all the programs that we are instructing or all the instructions that we are instructing them. So it has 2 unique symbols, that is 0 and 1. The base or radix of binary number system is 2 and we can take 1s and 2s complements using any binary number. So if we write 0, 1, then if you want to write 2, then we write 1, 0. Then if you want to write 3, we write 1, 1. If you want to write 4, we write 1, 0, 0. We want to write 5, then we write just a second, 1, 0, 1, like that, so on and so forth. So this is binary number system. Next, here is octal number system. Octal number system contains 8 unique symbols, as you can see from octal, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The base or radix of this number system is 8 and we can take 7s or 8s complement of any octal number. Okay, we can take 7s or 8s complement of any. So what are these complements? We'll be seeing on in another video how to take out complements of each and every number. Last, this is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number system. It has symbols, has 16 unique symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, similar to decimal. And then we have 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E and 15 is F. So 0 to 15, that is 16 unique symbols. Base or radix is 16 and we can take 15s and 16 complements. So in general, if the radix or base of the system, in general for all number systems, if the base or radix is r, then its complements possibility will be r's complement and r minus 1's complement of that number. So this is for in general. As we all see that like hexadecimal had 16 base, so we can take r's complement, that is 16's complement, and r minus 1, that is 15's complement. Here also in previous slide you can see that in octal number system the base was 8, so we can take r's complement, that is 8's complement, and r minus 1's complement, that is 7's complement. In binary system we had base equals to 2, so we can take r's complement, that is 2's complement, and 1's r minus 1, that is 1's complement. Similarly, in the decimal system, we had radix or base equals to 10. So we can take r's complement, that is 10's complement, and we can take r minus 1's complement, that is 9's complement. So this is what it is, the basics for all common number systems. Further, we are going to see how to convert one from another and what are the complements and how to take out complements. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.